welcome to Jason's Acoustic Workshop. This is Lesson 9 in the Beginner Series for Acoustic Guitar. And today we're going to be learning chord transitioning. This is a very important step. You need to be able to go from chord to chord smoothly and without too much effort. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, here we go, chord transitioning. We're going to start with the A and go right to the G. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Alright, so that's basically what I'm talking about is going from chord to chord. So if you want A to go to B, it's got to be a smooth transition. Boom. Now, one thing you do not want to do is lead with your fingers. And let me tell you what that means. Let's say you have an A, and you're doing an A, and the next chord you have to play is a G. Okay? What you want to do is basically, doing the A, you want all your fingers at the same time to come up like this. Let me bring it to the side here. Come up like this, get it to the G position, and go straight down at the same time. Boom. Okay? From there to there. Just a boom. One hit. Now, leading with your fingers would mean you go like this, and then you go, okay, you start with one finger, okay, finger there, and then there, and then there. First of all, it takes up too much time. And if you're playing in a band, let's say, or you got a drummer, you're going to throw off the beat. So you need to go from chord to chord smoothly. Not like that. Like this. This is the right way. Boom. Wrong way is to lead with your fingers. Okay? Like I said, one hit, one boom, 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 boom. So what you basically need to know is where the chords are going to land on the frets. This is why lesson 5, 6, and 7 is so important. Okay? So, we do the A through G again. We're going to do it just a little bit faster. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? And you can do it any way you want. You can start with E. Go to E, D, A, G, C, B. It doesn't matter. Just practice doing that. Going from chord to chord. That's all you gotta do. Okay? And make sure you practice the alternative chords too. Remember, you have the A, standard, alternate, and alternate. Because doing it this way, the alternate A, you can go to B, boom. See that? Very simple. Now you can go from here to D real easy also if you use the other alternate A. And with this one, you can go to the E. Okay? So, practice the chord transitions. It's very important. And do not lead with your fingers. One more time. Here, come up, all at the same time. Boom. All at the same time. Okay? All at the same time. Do not go one finger, one finger, one finger, one finger. You can't do that. Too slow, you're going to mess up everything, and you don't want to learn that way. Because it's a hard habit to break. Alright? So, practice at least an hour a day. At least. That way you get better. Because you're not going to get this overnight. It takes a little bit. And don't get frustrated. It'll come. Okay? And in the next lesson we're going to be learning basic strumming techniques. And then we're going to do a song. Kind of break up the monotony of all these other lessons. Okay? We'll play a little song. And then we're going to get into bar chords. Which is probably a little bit easier than these chords here. Okay? Alright, so subscribe to my channel, like this video, tell your friends about it. If they want to learn guitar, tell them to start with lesson 1. Okay? And we will see you in the next lesson.